This video covers how to turn right at a roundabout when there are roadworks. So as you'll notice, there's a sign on the left. We've been stopped at some temporary traffic lights for a while, and just ahead of the coach you can see the sign that shows where you should be waiting for those lights. We're starting to edge forward now, so the lights must have changed. We can see we've got some blue signs with white arrows telling us to keep right there. As we approach the roundabout, there are no further signs. So we're going to go round this roundabout as normal. The coach and the car in front of us are turning left, then they're turning onto the wrong side of the road as directed by the signs. As we come round here, take note of the white car that came from the right. Always be aware of people doing strange things at roundabouts, especially when there's roadworks. In this clip, again we're turning right at the roundabout, but this time our normal route is closed off due to the roadworks. We can see the traffic is going very slowly round the roundabout. It must be difficult to get through. As we come round, our normal exit is blocked and we're guided by the arrows to come onto the wrong side of the road. It's safe to do this because there's temporary traffic lights controlling the roundabout. As you can see in this clip, this is a different roundabout, but we're still going to be turning right. As we approach this roundabout, you will notice that our side of the road is blocked off completely, which means we need to go round the roundabout anti-clockwise, the opposite direction to normal, and we're guided to do this by the signs with the arrows. We're still turning right, there's no sign to tell us to go on the wrong side of the road on the new road, so we take that right turn as normal. A little bit more tricky, but it is doable. Any large vehicles, buses and lorries wouldn't be able to do that, so they would cut across onto the other side of the road. As you can see, this is the same roundabout as the last clip. Before we move off though, I'd like you to look at the sign on the left when red light shows wait here. Can you see how that's before the side road? And that's so that the junction can be kept clear. As we approach the roundabout, we can see we've got lots of signs and cones and fencing. So we're going to be turning right. We're going to have to go the wrong way around the roundabout. And all of that is guiding us onto the wrong side of the road on the exit road. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching. Why not check out some of my other videos, and if you like them, subscribe.